தெலுங்கு பட உலகத்தோட சூப்பர் ஸ்டாரான நாகார்ஜுனா நீண்ட இடைவெளிக்கு பிறகு மீண்டும் தமிழுக்கு வந்திருக்கிறாரு. தோழா படத்துல நடிச்சிருக்கிற நாகார்ஜுனா தந்தை டிவிக்காக பிரத்யேகமா சினிமா செய்தியாளர் ராஜாவோட மேற்கொண்ட நேர்காணல் தான் இப்ப நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம்.
Movie Thola. After long gap, you're coming in a Tamil movie. So we feel about it.
Of course, it feels very good, very excited. After long gap coming in, Tamil audience, Tamil people have always been very. They always appreciated me, liked me, and whatever few films I have done, I've always gotten good feedback. And whenever I come to Tamil Nadu, at the airports or wherever I'm outside, they ask me, when are you coming back to Tamil? When are you doing a Tamil film again? And Thola is one film which I'm very proud to come back.
Usually you acted in Tamil movies which are like cop roles or action hero like that movie. In this Thola, you look so different. So tell us about that character of this movie.
It is. Of course, it is a different character. It's a different movie. I think it's one of a kind. You don't see much films like this in Tamil or Telugu or anywhere. These kind of films are rarely attempted, and Thola is one such film. And I'm playing completely paralyzed from the neck down, quadriplegic as they call it. And but it's not that I'm sitting in a wheelchair. This man never feels like that. He still wants to live his life the way it is. But he needs a friend. And whoever is with him always shows him sympathy and all. He's not interested in that. And he's a billionaire, he's still doing his business and he lives like a king. But he's missing that one friend who can give him happiness. And that comes in the form of Karthi in the film as a caretaker who finally becomes his friend. And this becomes such, their bond becomes so strong. It is so beautiful to see in the film, this bond.
Tell about the co-actor, Karthik and Tamana. You already know them, but...
No, Karthik, actually, I only met him on sets for this film. I've known Surya, his brother, older brother, quite well. Whenever he comes to Hyderabad, we meet up once in a while. And I've known him. But I've seen Karthik's film, and his first film, Parithuveru, and of course I've seen the other film. But that first film itself, he was just iconic, fantastic. And when they said Karthi is being approached for this film, for the other role, I was so happy because it needed an actor. It needed a really, really, really good actor. And Karthi came. It's a blessing, Karthi coming into the film. And because it's very difficult to carry out that role.